So we're currently heading towards York Driving Test Centre. We're coming from the A1079 and we stay into the right hand side lane as we're approaching, and we're going to follow the signs towards York and Scarborough at this point, staying in next to the right hand side. Be aware that if you do not know this area, you want to be expecting people to be doing things just like this. Now as we go forward, we're going to head like we're going straight towards the grass and the sand just in front, and kind of keeping in next to the white line on the left hand side of us. You just allow the car to just drift over in towards this grassy area. So we are on a national speed limit, 7 miles an hour for this road. Travelling too slowly, you would be expected on your driving test to make progress, and if it's safe, overtake those vehicles. The problem with coming down here is that very shortly we'll be asked, if you were coming back this way towards the test centre, you would be asked to, well, you would be following and you need to be getting into the left hand side lane. As we come up, we're going to be going towards Harrogate, Thirsk, York, and it's this sign that you'd be looking out for, the roundabout sign with a reduced speed sign now. You just want to kind of start easing off your acceleration. We've got a 50 mile an hour speed limit coming up. Just letting that speed drop down. And we can see the countdown markers for the exit into the slip road. Mirror signal. And as we come in, we can see that Harrogate and Thirsk is the one we want for going towards test centre. Both these lanes can go left. This lane will be going left and then into the middle lane. The left hand side where the black car is on the left hand side now will go left and then stay into the left hand side towards York itself, but for test centre we want to be in this lane. Now from here, if we stay close to the white lines on the left hand side, both these two, middle and the right hand side lane, can both go right. So it's a lot easier for you just to stay into this middle lane. And obviously coming back towards the test centre, they might get you into the left hand side lane if you were coming this way. Come on, quickly, come on, let's go. round, staying in next to the curb on the left hand side, and the right hand side lane will, you can see by the arrow markings, start coming into this lane, reduces into one lane at that point. Roundabout coming up on the road ahead, we're going to be going left towards Monk's Crossing. And you can be going both in this lane, you can go first and second left. If you're going second left, you just wouldn't have a signal on. Just following the signs towards Monk's Cross as we come in. It's obviously 40 miles an hour at the moment. As we come up to the roundabout up in the road ahead, we're going to be going right towards Monk's Cross Drive. And it is basically like a right third exit. Second exit is towards the Primark, etc., and Monk's Cross itself. So we're going in. We've got a road closed diversion there. 30 miles an hour as we're coming into this road. So, very shortly we'll have the roundabout just leading up towards Arabesque House, which is where the test centre is. And it is right, basically second exit. We don't count these first two over here towards the service zones B and C. So we're just going to count this one as exit number 1. And this is exit number 2. As we're coming into here, as we get into the actual test centre area, it's 5 mile an hour road, and it is a very, very tight area. I'd be off the gas, popping it into first and just allowing the car to just roll around. Got these white posts up here, and it is a one-way system as we're coming into here, making sure we're aware of any vehicles coming from the right hand side. They might be going straight on, they might not, just coming out. So again, 5 miles an hour zone. I have been told by examiners that if you get to about 9 miles an hour, they will start to mark it down, but you have to go over that to actually go get serious. So we have got the DVSA test centre just to our right hand side, just here. Through the double doors, there's all the DVSA parking spots just here. The disabled one, they will prefer you to park on that side. And you've got the waiting room and toilets through those doors at the end, the wooden door. So I'm going to just come around here and I'm going to reverse back, and then we're basically going to get on with the first of the driving test routes from the driving test app.